Would you like us to move closer to room 121? Do you remember us?
Ouch, I'm stuck.
Sir, are you still here?
Oh.
Keep moving, I gotta keep chasing
Oh
you.
no, it's my bad. I thought we were at 121. There we go. Alright, we're here.
You still want to talk to us?
You're getting bored, aren't you?
You getting tired? Yeah, me too. You want us to leave you alone? Alright, sir. We're going to go into the basement for a little bit. If you want to talk to us, we'll be back up here later, okay?
Alright, let's go get everybody.
My dad's camera's light.